guys, let's walk through this simple waffle iron omelet. Just need a simple waffle iron, a couple eggs. I use medium-sized eggs, just 2 eggs. Some seasonings, I'm using salt, pepper, and paprika. And some fresh cut veggies. I have onions, peppers, and mushrooms. Gonna add that to our eggs. And I'm gonna sprinkle on some cheddar cheese. So you could put in here anything that you normally eat in your omelet. I don't usually eat meat in my omelet, so a veggie omelet it is. Mix, mix, mix. Want to make sure that you're combining all of your ingredients. Gonna make sure that our waffle iron is warm into temperature. They mostly have their own settings, so make sure you follow your settings according to your manufacturer. I'm adding some butter with canola oil, and next I'm going to add in my omelet mixture. My omelet mixture, you know what I'm saying. So we're going to wait about 2 minutes, and you'll start to see the omelet start to rise. A little bit of smoke coming out, but it's not burnt. It is just perfect, and there we have it. A nice, soft, fluffy waffle omelet. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or brunch. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.